Hello, and welcome to our vlog series, Sound Advice for Savvy Agents. I'm Diane Barr. Over the course of the next few episodes, we're going to hear from independent agents how they mastered adding public sector accounts to their book of business. What's made them successful can be the sound advice you need to get inspired to target this viable market, write cities, counties, and towns, and succeed in this space. I'm here today with Jarette Sampson from Dial Insurance in Pembroke, North Carolina. Hi Jared, great to be with you here today.
Thanks Diane, welcome to Pembroke.
I wanted to start today by talking about why public entities. Can you tell me a little bit about how you got started?
We got started in public entity basically by default. My father-in-law had one public entity account and it interested me that it was a large premium and I wanted to see how could we do more of them.
So for an agent who's just starting out in public entity, do you think it's a good idea for them to start with the town they live in?
Absolutely, because a lot of time in your hometown you'll know the city council member, the mayor, or just maybe the town manager or clerk, and it gives you an avenue to be able to get those initial meetings, to be able to talk.
And that was your experience with Pembroke?
Yeah, that's exactly right. It was very comfortable to talk with them because I knew them on a day-to-day basis from church or from the community, from the university.
How did you dig in and start to understand some of the unique exposures in a public entity?
I started asking a lot of questions, relied on carriers like Travelers and others to try to lead and guide me of how and what information they would need in order to quote an account.
Tell me how you learned the basics.
I had to dig deep into my network. I have an old saying that I have is that your network is your net worth. If you can take time to get someone to sit down and have an intelligent conversation with you, you're 50% of the way towards making the sale in a public entity and account.
How did you dig a little bit deeper into some of what the actual coverages were?
I had people willing to actually sit with me and explain to underwriters how it worked. I also did a lot of reading, just read coverage forms and things of that nature.
Thank you, Jared, for being with me today. It's been really great talking with you.
Thank you, Diane. I've enjoyed this very much.